Hello friends, welcome to part 64 of Laravel 12 multi-banner e-commerce series. So we'll continue working on the product filters, and in this part we are going to work on the colored filter via Ajax. So let's start. In the last part we have seen that we are able to do that sort by filter via Ajax. You can see here that if I will select here the sort by option, like if I will select any of the option here like highest price, it sort the products via Ajax without the refresh of the page. Okay, so it's working fine. You can see any sort by filter we can select to get the desired results. Now we are going to work on these left side filters like the price filter, color filter, size filter, and the other filters that we will dynamically add for the product. So first of all, we are going to work on this color filter. Okay, so here the colors have been added here in checkboxes. So we are going to work on this color filter. So I will also open the database of the our e-commerce website, and also I'm going to open the admin panel so that we can check the products that we have added so far and their colors as well. Here we will go to the products module, and here you can see that we have added here the blue t-shirt, red t-shirt, red t-shirt, red t-shirt. So three are red t-shirt and one is blue t-shirt. And we are going to pick here, you can see that we are going to pick the family color. Okay, we are going to pick the family color. We will not pick the product color. Product color is just to display in the product detail page, but the family color we are going to pick because we are going to show only few of the colors that are the main color, and family color is the main color, that is the group of other colors. Okay, so that's why we are going to pick the family color, and those colors we are going to display here. So we are going to take the steps that you can find under video. Okay, so first of all, we are going to create here the products filter model that will contain all the functions related to the filters. So we are going to create this products filter with this artisan command, or we are going to create this products filter model with this artisan command. I'm going to run one more artisan command for my project from here, and I'm going to run this one products filter, and see product filter has been created. So I'm going to open this product filter that we have created. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create the getColors function in this product filter file. So that will get the colors, all the product colors. Okay, all the product colors of the category that is currently open. Like we have currently opened this men t-shirts category, so it will check all the products of these categories and their colors and their family colors, and it is going to pick those family colors and will show these family colors here, unique family colors of those products here on the left side bar. Okay, so for this we are going to add this function in the product filter. Okay, so from here, like I have told, that we are going to pick all the product colors from the products that are currently open, and those products we are going to pick from the category IDs that belongs to this category. Okay, we are going to pick from these cat IDs. So cat IDs can be like if we will open the men category, so this men category will also contain the subcategories IDs. So it will contain the men ID, men category ID, that is the parent category of many other subcategories like the men t-shirts. Like if we will open the clothing category here, suppose we are going to open the clothing category here. So clothing will contain the clothing category ID, and it also contains the men, women, and kids category ID, and it will also contain the men t-shirts category ID. So see here, it will contain the parent category ID, subcategory ID, and subcategory ID, and we are going to pick all the products belongs to these categories IDs. Okay, so this one we are doing here, we are getting all the products from these categories, and from those products, we are picking the family color of those products, and we are going to use the group by so that we can uniquely specify those family colors on the left sidebar. So we will get these product colors, and we're going to display on the left sidebar. Okay, and here we are going to modify the left sidebar, but before that, make sure that we are going to include this product model at the top. Okay, so here we need to make sure that we have included this product model at the top of the product filter file. So now we are going to update the filters.blade file, and here we are going to use the for each loop to display all the colors that we have get from here. Okay, so here we are going to show all these colors, and here also we are going to include products filter model at the top, and we are going to dynamically display all the colors here. We are going to replace this static, and we'll replace it with the for each loop that I have already done at my end to save the time. Okay, so you can see that we have added the for each loop of all the colors that we have get from that query. Okay, and I'm going to show you that now we are going to dynamically display the colors here. Okay, so I think only few colors will come. Blue and red colors must come on the left sidebar of the filters. So some issue has come. Cat IDs. So it is saying cat IDs because cat IDs is not added so far. So that's why it is saying in filters.blade this cat IDs we need to check whether we are getting from there in the product controller category listing data in product service. So here we need to have the cat IDs as well. So this cat IDs we are going to add this cat IDs. Okay, we are going to return this cat IDs. So we are going to return it here. Cat IDs. Yes, okay. So now I'm going to check here. So now it's working fine. Okay, you can see filter by color, and on the left side blue and red colors. Okay, because there are only two colors so far. We have done the pagination just for showing that it is working fine. So one of the product is coming in the next page. Okay, so now see we have just shown the blue and red color of the products that we have opened in this clothing category. Okay, so now we are going to select, like if we will select the blue color, then it will show only the blue color t-shirts. Okay, so for that thing we will continue here and we'll apply the filter color filter. Okay, in the apply filter function here we will specify the color filter as well. After this after sorting filter, we are going to apply this color filter as well. Okay, so this one return query can do it here, and here we will add apply color filter so that it will fetch the family color, fetch those products that have that are having the family color that the user want. Okay, that is specified by the user. So here also we can add here at the top. And just aligning it in a proper way so that it will be clear to us. Like this. Okay, so first applying sorting logic. This is the sorting filter. We can also add it here, applying sorting filter, and after that we are going to apply the color filter. Okay, so after applying the color filter, now see cat IDs we have already included earlier. Okay, so this one we have already included, and after this, just the filters.js file we are required to update to enhance our filters. We are required to update this file for the Laravel 12 version. Okay, so that we can able to do these filters in a better way. So you can update this file at your end. Okay, complete file you can update. Okay, and now we are going to check whether the filters are working fine or not. This one we have already done earlier. So let's see now. So I'm going to open here the clothing category. Let's see if filters are working. I'm going to check here the first of all I'm going to check only the blue t-shirt. Yes, only the blue t-shirt is get checked. Okay, so only the blue t-shirt is shown here, and if I will also check the red t-shirt, then it is going to show the red as well as the blue. And if I will check the blue t-shirt once again, then it is going to show only the red t-shirts. Okay, so like this the color filters are working fine. Okay, you can see the colors filters are very much working fine. And also if you are going to see select this red t-shirt, we're going to select the red color filter, and you also want to select some sort by feature from here, like the discounted items or like discounted items, then it is not showing any item because no item is on discount. But you can see here on the URL that color is red and sort equal to discounted underscore items. So both the filters are working at the same time. Okay, so if I add the featured items, then once again you can see that those products will come back again. So you can do this color filter at your end as well. And if you will face any issue, you can surely contact me. And do subscribe the channel youtube.com tech developers for more updates. And you can always join the channel to get the complete source code. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.